If you want to save time while editing in CapCut, one of the easiest things you can learn is how to copy and paste clips. This is super useful when you want to duplicate a section, reuse an effect, repeat a transition, or simply speed up your workflow without rebuilding the same clip from scratch. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to copy and paste clips in CapCut on PC, step by step, so you can edit faster and more efficiently. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Make sure the timeline is visible and the clip you want to duplicate is already placed in your edit. This part is important because you need to work directly from the timeline, not from your media library. Once your project is open, look through the timeline and select the clip you want to copy. Just click on it once so it becomes highlighted. That tells CapCut exactly which clip you're working with. If you have multiple clips close together, take a second to make sure the correct one is selected before you continue. After selecting the clip, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy the clip. This sends that clip to your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you want it in the project. If you're on a Mac, the shortcut would usually be Command and C instead, but for CapCut PC, Ctrl and C is the key combination to use. Now that the clip is copied, move the playhead to the position where you want to paste it. The playhead is the vertical line in your timeline that shows your current editing position. You can click anywhere in the timeline to move it to the exact spot where you want the copied clip to appear. This step gives you control over where the duplicated clip will go, whether that's at the end of your video, in the middle of a sequence, or right after another clip. Once the playhead is in the right position, press Ctrl and V to paste the clip. CapCut will place the copied clip directly at the playhead location, saving you a lot of time compared to manually re-adding the same footage. After pasting, you can drag the clip if needed, trim it, or make any adjustments to fit your edit perfectly. And that's really all there is to it. Open your project, select the clip, copy it with Ctrl C, move the playhead, and paste it with Ctrl V. It's a simple shortcut, but once you start using it, it can make your editing process much faster and smoother. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tutorials, editing shortcuts, and beginner-friendly software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.